How you doing, guys? I hope you have been well. Well, Australia Day is almost upon us, and what is Australia Day? It is our national holiday for Australia, essentially. There's a lot of political debate at the moment about what day it is. I don't care, as long as we have it, right? As long as you get a day off, that's all we really care about being Australian. But I've been racking my brain figuring out what to make you guys for Australia Day, because I like to show you Australian desserts. And of course you can check out my whole dessert playlist of Australian desserts by clicking the link on the screen right now. But this came to my head. It is like an iconic thing to have at children's parties in Australia. If you didn't go to a children's party in Australia without these, you didn't live, buddy. These were the best, and they still are the best, as well as fairy bread. So they're called chocolate crackles, and I'm going to show you how to make them.
Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is add in our Cocoa Pops. So these are chocolate coated rice puffs. Cocoa Pops is the brand here. I'm going to add those in because I want chocolate coated, because I want to up the chocolate. These are chocolate crackles, baby. Then I'm going to add some cocoa. I'm going to add a lot, 80 grams of it, because I want it to taste chocolatey. Not here for holiday, we want chocolate. Then I'm going to add some coconut. Now this is desiccated, so finely chopped coconut. I've heard in America you can get sweetened stuff. If you can't get it without the sweetener, please just use the sweetener. Don't know why you sweeten coconut. Anyway, then we've got some icing sugar or confectioner sugar. Don't worry that it's a little bit rumbly. We're going to add the next ingredient, which will get rid of that. This stuff is called Copha. It is vegetable shortening, and it comes in a very hard block. It does have coconut oil in it, and you just melt this down in the microwave. So if you can't get this, coconut oil is also an alternative. Then we're going to melt it down and pour it in. Just melt it in the microwave for around 2 minutes, and then we're going to mix with a spoon, because this stuff is hot and it will burn you. So slowly mix it all together, get it all well combined, and then it's time to pop it into your patty cases. So these are cupcake cases, patty cases, whatever you call them. I just pop them on a tray. I don't need to put them in a muffin tray, because they generally do hold their shape. You will find that the Copha will liquefy a little bit at the bottom, and you want to try and get some of that in there, because that will make the bottom solid. So when you eat your Cocoa Pop, rice crackle, it's going to have the rice crackles at the top and a thin layer of the chocolate at the bottom, and that holds the shape. So there you have it, guys. Chocolate crackles, a staple of any childhood in Australia.
So there you have it, guys. These are really easy to put together. They go straight in the fridge, so you don't need an oven, and they taste amazing. And if you love chocolate, you can get your chocolate on with these. Of course, if you don't have Copha where you live, I've heard that you can use Crisco, which is like vegetable shortening in the United States. In England, I'm not sure what the equivalent is, but I've also heard that you can use coconut oil, because essentially that stuff is homogenized coconut oil. So if you can get it, make them. It will change your life. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, of course, give me a thumbs up. Lets me know that you really liked it, and of course, subscribe. I haven't made a goal for this year, so I'm going to try and get to 5,000 first. We are 200 away, so please help me out, hit subscribe. I make videos of the dessert nature anyone can make. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.